As the African sun painted the horizon, casting a warm glow upon the Samburu Kolarora village, a young girl found herself at the heart of a cultural metamorphosis. In the humble abode, an older Samburu woman, with hands weathered by time, delicately prepared the girl for an upcoming community dance. Amidst laughter and shared stories, the older woman carefully applied the rich red Lkaria makeup, symbolizing not just a cosmetic enhancement but a vibrant connection to tradition. The girl, adorned in beautiful Samburu beads, beamed with infectious joy, her white teeth glistening in the sunlight. Every stroke of the old lady hand, every dash of red ochre, was a celebration of identity and anticipation. This transformation was not merely cosmetic, it was a manifestation of cultural pride and readiness to represent the community in the dance that awaited later in the day. As the older woman worked her artistic magic, the young girl reveled in each moment, embracing the beauty of her heritage. Little did she know that beyond the dance, her adorned beauty and graceful movements might catch the eye of a potential suitor, weaving the threads of tradition and romance into the vibrant tapestry of Samburu life.